Strickland gang, what is going on? We are back today with another video, and today we have a 2020 Chevy Colorado Z71. It is started, by the way, too, if y'all hear a weird noise coming from it. And man, I can't say it enough, but it feels good to be back, man. Feels good to be back. Thank y'all for bearing with me while I wasn't putting out content, but I appreciate y'all, each and every one of y'all. Thank you. Now this right here is a mid-size pickup truck. It's not a full size, but this is the short box, that's what they call it. And by the way, big shout out to Bellamy Strickland out here in McDonough, Georgia. As you can see, it is started, like I said. It's not even it's cold, but it's not cold. Like it's like 40 some degrees out here, but the sun is out, so it feels like it's hotter than that where I'm standing at. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and hop right into this sticker right here. 2020 Colorado 2-wheel drive Z71 crew short box, as you can see. And that's all your warranty information and all of that. You're getting 18 city, 25 highway, 20 miles per gallon combined. Let y'all take a look at the safety stuff for a minute. While y'all take a look at that, you got a 3.6 liter in this vehicle, and it's putting out 308 horsepower and 275 foot-pounds of torque and 308 horsepower. Man, I couldn't get that right for nothing in the world. But nonetheless, we got it out. So you got the 17-inch wheels on here as well. As you can see, they are a cast aluminum wheel, all-terrain tires, projector type headlights, front fog lights, easy lift and lower tailgate, locking tailgate, corner step bumper, cloth seats with the leatherette front seats as well. Enough for all that boring stuff, but you got an additional Z71 midnight package, which includes it's a $3,000 package, as you can see right there. And that's all that it includes: the spray on bed liner, the body color grill, bow tie, all of that good stuff right there. You got the navigation 8-inch touchscreen in there, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all of that good stuff. That brings the total price to $39,235. So enough for all of that. Let's go ahead and walk around out here real quick. So you got that's part of the midnight package right there, as you can see, the black bow tie. You got the fog lights down there as well too. Let's go ahead and pop the hood, and let's take a look at what we got underneath here. There you go right there, your V6, 308 horsepower, 275 foot-pounds of torque. Let's go ahead and close that. Big Z71 badging on the door right there. Let's go ahead and get y'all the exhaust note real quick. Also, you got a tire at the bottom of the truck underneath it. Corner steps right here. Let's open this up. Got that spray-in bed liner. Very nice. Let's go ahead and close that up. And let's get y'all this exhaust note. Uh-oh, the camera falling. Alright. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, that was pretty weak. I was expecting a little bit more, but like I said, it's a V6, so let's get into it. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. Typical Chevy, plastic, rubber like feel right here. I don't like that at all, Chevy. Y'all gotta, it's 2020. Like, stop. just that's all I can say. Just stop. This ain't it. That ain't it, dog. I'm gonna tell you, that ain't it right there. Cup holder right there. I mean, very basic door right here. And you paying, what did I say it was? 38,000 or something like that. That's you paying almost 40 grand for this vehicle, and you getting stuff like this. And not only that, it's a mid-size pickup truck. At 40,000, you can have a full size, one of the big boys. So I mean, to each his own. You got the WeatherTech, which is part of that package, that Z71 package. You got the cloth with the leather red as well too. 40,000 again, man. Just go ahead and make it all leather for me. You got the semi-power seats right here. You still got to do your back part at, again, $40,000. You go ahead and just include that all, make that all power for me. I shouldn't even have to touch to see that 40,000. But to each his own. Some this might be your car right here. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't think of the word for it, but this might be you. This is, and then y'all already, you already know what I'm gonna say again, right? So this is why we had the car starter as well too. Check this out. So that's giving you a little warning for the people that can't seem to remember their kids in the back seat for some odd reason. I don't see how you're forgetting your kids when you got your rear view mirror right here too, when you could clearly see in the back seat if it's adjusted right. But anyways, we're not here to talk about that. But anyways, look at this Chevy. Why? Why? Do you see this is a 2020, right? Why? Why? I just want to know why. Why? This should be gone at this point. We're past keys. We're past this. Only way you should still be putting keys in here is if people requested it. This is gone. This is a no-go. It should be push button start. At $40,000, it should be a push start. I don't care. I'm not, you can't give me no key at $40,000. Then you got a basic key fob as well too. I mean, come on, Chevy. Come on, dog. Come on now. Anyways, you got a basic dash, plastic. You got Bose. You got a Bose sound system. Plastic everywhere is plastic. Nice little 8-inch screen right here. It's in demo mode, navigation. Okay, nice little, you know, you got the 4G Wi-Fi as well too. Very nice and clean. You got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well too, as you can see right there. Wi-Fi hotspot. Simple enough to use. You got the dual climate control right here too, and it tells you over here what's the settings. What is that? Now we ain't trying to cut on no AC now. We're gonna turn that off. You got your toggle switches down here for your trailer. Hit that button. You also got a traction button, hazards, your bed light, your hill descent, and your parking sensors as well. You got heated seats right there. You got down here, you got your SD card slot, that's for your maps. Again, you got 2 USBs and an aux cord. And then you got the 12-volt charger right there. And then right here, you got your wireless charging pad. I mean, they giving you some goodies, but at $40,000, man, I'm not feeling this interior. That's just me. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, though. Cup holders right here. I mean, I get it. It's a pickup truck. I get it. But $40,000, bruh. I just expect $40,000. I expect so much more. I mean, it's a nice vehicle, but just not for me. Not even LEDs right here. Sunglasses holder. You got your OnStar. And the back seat, nothing special back there either. Right here you got your glove box, owner's manual. Let's go ahead and get in the back seat real quick as well too. Same materials on this back door that's on the front door as well. You got the WeatherTech floor liners as well too. Got the seats back here too. They do lift up. I guess it's locked in. Yeah, you got to pull this right here. I can't do it because I got one hand trying to do it. So, but you pull this up and then this lifts up. And let's see now. You got some type of leg room. It's kind of cramped. Head, as you can see, I'm I'm 5'7", 5'8". So if you taller than that, you ain't gonna fit back here at all. So don't even try it. Your head gonna be hitting the roof. I got hair, so that's probably why too, but still, your head gonna hit this roof. So it's not comfortable back here like that. But for me, you know, it's decent. 2 USBs, 12 volt, nothing special to see back here. 2 cup holders, and that's it. And then you got your regular mats. And there you have it. You have a Colorado. Now let's go ahead and test drive it real quick. Maybe it might change my mind. Hey, look at this, y'all. So we've been using push button starts for so long, I guess now they gotta properly show you how to start a car with a key. Hey, this is crazy. That shows you that they knew that they messed up when they put the key in there. They should have just kept it a push button start in. So let's see that reverse camera. Oh, okay, I see you, Chevy. Nice, crisp, HD. You got your trailer right there too. Okay, I see you. All right, let's go ahead and go on a short little test drive. It's very quiet. I mean, it rides kind of rugged just a little bit just because of those tires, but it's still a smooth. It's got a nice little growl when you in it, but I mean, not as much as it should have though. Feels good though. I will say it handles very well. Very nice though. I'm liking the drive of it. It's small, doesn't feel too boxy and floaty. Very nice. I will say that much. I get that too. Feels good. Feels good. But yeah, I will say that it does ride really well. I can say that much. But just like that, guys, we're gonna go ahead and park this thing and we're gonna get up out of here. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. And thank you for watching. I'm gone.